How to check in Frontier Airlines Online. Hello, everybody, and welcome to our channel. Today, you're going to learn how you can check in into flyfrontier.com. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. Probably you are into the main page of flyfrontier.com. Remember that the URL is different from the name of the company. All you have to do is go here into the second option, my trip or check-in, and what you must fill in is your last name and your confirmation code. Remember, this process is made 24 hours before the departure of your plane. So if you're trying this even before, I don't know, like 48 or 72 hours, this is not going to work. So just remember, just 24 hours before the departure of the plane. Remember, here you have a help to find your confirmation code. I'm going to click there, and this is going to show you that your confirmation code is here. So if you book your flight on flyfrontier.com, this is it. Again, to the main page and your last name and confirmation code. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to continue with the process because I don't have any flight here in flyfrontier.com, but that's how you can do it. That's how you can make the check-in process in Frontier Airlines Online. Thanks for watching.